Unless you guys don't know. Yeah.
Long blustery hay in the 100 Acre Wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a fight! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday!
Ooh!
We'll save you, Piglet! First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun! Goodness gracious!
I'm Tigger! Follow me, right this way! Heffalumps and Woozles, steal honey, beware, beware. Heffalumps and Woozles, Heffalumps and Woozles, steal honey, beware. Because the pollination is what you touch, they love it. Because there's a love the thing you prize. Prize. What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up,
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Birthday.
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hooray!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear.
Look at all Pooh's presents!
If you don't like my present,